I am proud of my PTA mom so she can help do school events with me.
Why I like my PTA mom? I like my PTA mom because the PTA does lots of awesome things, including ice cream social. Knowing my mom is in the PTA feels awesome.
I like my PTA teacher. Mrs. Ortiz is a great PTA teacher because she knows how much the PTA cares about and supports all kids, just like Mrs. Ortiz does.
I support my PTA mom because PTA supports all of our teachers and all of our families.
I'm proud of my PTA mom because the PTA does all the Olympics.
I'm proud of my PTA mom because she's helping to make the school the best place ever.
I love the PTA because they did really nice things for my school.
I'm proud of my PTA mom because they worked hard for Oakstead and they did book fair for Oakstead.
My mom on the PTA because she gives us ice cream.
Say it.
I'm proud of the PTA because my mom gives me ice cream.
Hey everyone, my name is Andrea Holly and I'm very proud to be the PTA president for Oakstead this year. I wanted to take just a moment of your time and talk to you about what it means to be a member of our PTA family. Throughout the year, we work so hard on programs for the kids, such as Ice Cream Social, Otter Olympics, Holiday Shop, and Otter Ball. We've also got some great new ideas coming up that we would love your input on. The biggest feedback I hear from families is that they feel like they just don't have time to be a member of the PTA. They feel like it's too much of a time commitment. As a full-time working mom, I can completely understand this concern. But what I want to assure you is that your $8 membership isn't a time commitment. It merely gives you a voice. It makes you a partner in advocacy. And at the end of the day, we work closely with teachers and admin to make sure that every teacher, student, and parent has the best possible experience while here at Oakstead. And besides, who better to advocate on your child's behalf than you? So ask your student, why are they proud of Oakstead's PTA? And consider joining us. We'd be honored to have you.